Hi guys, Jason Craig here and welcome to another training. Now today I'm excited to announce our Healthy Christmas Recipe series. In the next few days, we're going to be looking at some super healthy yet fun recipes. Now I thought about this. I was like, how can I create amazing recipes that my fans will love? Now I'm not a great cook, so I came up with a bright idea. I decided, why not look on through YouTube for some healthy yet tasty recipes and bring these to you. So that's exactly what I did. We're going to be covering everything from recipes that are vegan friendly, vegetarian friendly, gluten free, just to name a few. Even some weight loss desserts. Come on, you can't resist that. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
Nutrition, exercise, rest. The ingredients needed for optimum health. A simple combination until the demands of life are added. This is especially true for working professionals who spend 8 hours or more at their respective discipline, concentrating their full attention to advancing the corporate ladder while neglecting the body that supports their success. If this sounds like you, then you have come to the right channel. By making a few simple adjustments, you can dramatically transform your life, and I'm here to show you how. My name is Jason Craig, and as an ex-airline pilot who was always on the go, working out in hotel rooms and eating what's available, I understand the challenges of trying to be healthy on a busy schedule. So join me as we uncover more healthy solutions for busy professionals like you.
Alright, so first video is 4 healthy weight loss cookies. Now guys, these are so easy to make and it doesn't require much ingredients. This video is brought to you by the Serious Fitness YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check out more of his videos. Without further ado, let's jump right into this recipe video. Alright guys, hope you enjoy that video. Most importantly, incorporate it into your Christmas cooking. Remember guys, some of these things can be swapped out with local foods that we have here. So feel free to experiment. Just use these as a guide so you can still have fun eating what you love in a healthier way. If you guys love this video, share it with 3 friends that might be interested in this. Also, if you have not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Until our next video, Jason Craig here, providing healthy solutions for busy professionals like you.